Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you the secret that dentists are hiding from us to get rid of teeth tartar and to whitening your teeth at home with very simple ingredients, my friends. It works and it gives you an amazing result. From first use, the teeth tartar will fall on its own and you will whitening your teeth naturally. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is around 3 garlic cloves, and garlic is super effective in whitening the teeth naturally, and it's amazingly effective in getting rid of bad breath, and you will see an amazing results from first use. It will get you rid of teeth tartar naturally. So you apparently need to peel the garlic like so. We don't need that much of garlic, we need just 3 cloves of garlic. As you can tell, I have here medium size garlic, and that's what I'm going to use. After we peel 3 cloves of garlic like so, we need to shred it or to mash it. After we mash it like so, my friends, we get the fresh garlic, and we need that much. Place it in a clean mixing bowl. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of olive oils, and olive oil will make your enamel shine like pearls. It's amazingly effective in make your enamel shine and whitening the teeth naturally. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder in this, it's not gonna work the same. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well the ingredients. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and here I'm using a white toothpaste. It's better to use white toothpaste in that remedy. Now mix well all the ingredients until they combine and get very well mixed together. After mixing well the ingredients and combine very well together, our magical remedy is ready. Dip in your toothbrush like so and brush your teeth. Focus on the places that it has yellowish stain and keep brushing the teeth for 1 minute, and you will whitening your teeth naturally. It removes the teeth tartar. The teeth tartar will fall on its own and you will get an amazing results, my friends. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.